All right, good morning, everybody. Quickly, I want to just talk about some few things. Today is not about politics, IPOB, or whatever. Today is not about religion. Today is about socio-cultural development of the manhood in Nigerian men. You see, for my generation, normally, nobody teaches us how to be a man. Nobody teaches us how to take care of ourselves. And mostly make money. And they don't carry the same culture come this next generation. So the ones where they come up, the only information that they hear now, how to make money, these days. But money is not everything. You understand? If you get money, don't know how to take care of yourself. If you get money, don't know how to be a man. And not until you know how to be a man, you cannot get a woman. Now, standard fact. So it's not all about money. So today I want to share with you some 8 tips on how to be a man, and possibly the 8 things that you need to do that will make a woman constantly love you, constantly be with you. As in, you could just be the top choice of every woman. Now, what are the 8 things? First of all, the first thing in my list, I always advise every man: if you dey smoke, stop smoking. Quit smoking. A lot of people, they come my video, they say, the bongos, they smoke, you go weed. I know they won't smoke. You see, women don't like men who smoke. There's a difference between love and tolerance. Some women just tolerate men with the smoke, and they break their hearts. But they're not going to really, tell you. Sometimes they tell you, but stubbornness, they make you feel say their opinion not count. But in reality, no woman loves a man that smoke. You know why? Because you see, if they smoke, you're not different from person where they commit suicide. The only difference between you, they commit your suicide slowly. And no real woman who wants to spend her lifetime with you go enjoy watching you killing yourself slowly. Another thing where you don't understand is if they smoke, they get offensive odor way perfume not they cover. You know why? Because when you smoke like this, all those smoke they go disgwangwa all your inside. You understand? When your inside will call the rotting. So even when you not smoke, once you breathe, you go just cast. You go just cast. You just get one kind of odor. When you say roll on, not the hide, because all the internal organ, as they exhale carbon, dioxide. If they carry all the things come out, you understand? So if you just day where you never even smoke for like 2 days, but you just get one kind of odor. So it's not good me to smoke, because these things they turn women off. Women love men. No woman like man with the smoke. You understand? That's number 1. So if you smoke, stop smoking. Number 2, wear only white boxers, white or gray boxers. No, they wear. And when I mean boxers, not be big boxers like brief. Wear brief. You see all those bossers, all those alagbara. Now for beach, when you go beach, all those alagbara, not they wear alagbara for us. As a man, you supposed to wear brief, something short, tight, where you feel hold your agoda together. You understand? Women love it. It's very sexy to see a guy in white brief. I personally, I always wear white brief. I know they change color. My woman know me. It's steady white, and it's very cheap and affordable. You understand? So I always encourage guys, it's good to cultivate the habit of wearing only white brief. Sometimes if you tire for white, choose gray. Have somebody could just wear red brief or red boxers or blue. Come on. Number 3, use roll-on. A lot of people know they use roll-on, and it's just fascinating. Like, you just see guys they know they use roll-on. It is very important, because roll-on, unlike perfume, they go specific parts of your body where the direct place where your sweat gland they produce the most offensive odor, which is your shankpa. Use roll-on. As a man, just cultivate the habit. Sometimes if you use roll-on steady, you gonna say sometimes you don't even need pomade, because once you rub roll-on after you bath, you are good to go. And then the application of roll-on is very important for most people. Not just under the shankpa or under the armpit, now they put roll-on. But for somebody like me, I they put for here and I they put for here. You see that your thigh in between your agada. You see that place? The sweat gland for there, now porous. You understand? So me personally, I like apply roll-on, and I don't get very good compliment from women, because especially my wife, if she they wash my boxers, it always they smell nice. If girl won't give you BJ, that place would smell nice, because there's roll-on on that. You see the V, that place now sweat gland. When you do waka like this, there's always motion where they make that place they sweat. So the application of roll-on, even on that place, it makes sense. It promotes your neatness. You understand? Because the main women, they come close to you, they give the compliment like it smell nice. I don't get that compliment countless times, and it's a good feeling. So I encourage you to do that. Number 3, brush your teeth before you sleep in the evening. I notice say culturally for Nigeria, most men only brush at night when they want doke, when they expect work. Ordinarily, if they don't want doke that night, if they don't expect work that night, now only morning they brush. Even so, they forget to brush from morning and afternoon. But it's very important. In fact, it is more important to brush in the night before you go to bed than in the morning. Because you know why sometimes guys know they like kiss you for morning? Because your man they cast. Your man they cast. If you brush for night before you sleep, notice early morning you know they put the pressure to brush because your mouth goes to smell fresh. Women don't like men with their mouth they smell for morning. Hello, honey. Good morning. Oh, your faint. So it's always very nice when you brush before you go to bed. Make them habit. Make it just be part of you. You understand? It's very important. Women love it when your mouth smells fresh in the morning. Without saying you never brush, you never come up for bed. You know, say around 5 a.m., 4:30 to 5 a.m., the color it stands. That time, women, they need men. So if your mouth not the cast, now added advantage. So it's very, very important. Number 5, intentionally leave change in your clothes. If you be guy, will be say you get woman, where they wash your clothes for you. You get baby, they do your laundry. Your wife, they wash your clothes. Intentionally leave change. Not be the one where you forget. Not be the change where you forget for the pocket. Like intentionally. Some kind of time, just drop like 2 CD, 3 CD, 5 CD, 1 CD. Even if not 50 pesos, women, they like that. Because you know why? It takes a lot of energy to wash somebody else's clothes. The only compensation we women get now, those small change. Not because they go change their life, but that change, it goes a long way in changing their feelings. You understand? That person could just wash basket of clothes for you, no see one error. It's not fair. So sometimes I personally intentionally leave some coins in my pocket because my woman they do my laundry for me. You understand? And I love and I respect her so much. So I those things they go a long way to make her love me. So the point is sometimes she will just tell me, baby, make sure you leave something in that in your clothes when I'm washing so that I'll buy biscuits. Women love that. So learn the habit to leave change for your pocket, especially when you get person maybe say they wash your clothes for you. Not they wait for the one where you naturally forget, because sometimes you feel not forget. You understand? Moving on. Another culture when I go like me you cultivate as a youth, one thing that will make you a man is always thank your woman after every meal, whether now you cook am or not. If you get woman for, if you get serious babe, no matter whether na she make the food or na you make the food, always say thank you, baby. It is very, very important because you know why? The kitchen space belongs to her. It's a sign of this commitment. When you see the simple things, the small things that they freak woman. Not the big things. You see those small things. Sometimes I go just make indomie for myself. I eat finish, I'll tell my wife, baby, thank you for the meal. She would ask me, say, why are you thanking me? I'll say, for using your kitchen. It's very, very important. These are the small tips and tricks where they keep marriages, they sustain relationship, where they fail to inculcate into your life. You understand? So when a woman makes a meal for you, it's very, very important to say thank you. It is quite important. And when you go the extra mile to say thank you after you have made that same meal for yourself, it is even much more appreciated because you give the woman a sense of belonging in your home. She knows that kitchen is her space. Like you give her the authority over that kitchen, which is a good thing. You understand? The other thing I would like you to inculcate, which is the number 7 one, is have a handy skill. I write the thing for you, man, not forget. So they look and they tell you now. Have a handy skill. What to be handy skill? As a man, you just big. You know who sabi. You don't know the difference between black wire and red wire. You know if bulb go blow. You know if you change her. Small plumbing issue go just happen for sink. No the flow. You the call plumber. You know if you just carry normal small tools, stay fix them. These things are important. As a man, it's good when you get handy skills. It's very important. Even as a father, get handy skills. Me, I do everything. I do electrical connection. I do plumbing work. You see, I do everything. It's very important. Women love it. You see, women, they like men where they, get that handy abilities. Not be every time we be say sink tight, the flow, you go call plumber. Your woman just want to see you go under that sink and get that thing flowing. It is very sexy. Not only today bed, they do hoo-ha, be sexiness. Your woman just want to see you sweating, trying to fix the home by yourself. It is very important. Learn some technical things like how to connect wire, black and red. basic things, handy skill, learn how to, do some heavy lifting. These are very important things that makes you a man. You understand? That gives you that manliness. You understand? So the last on my list, there are so many things you can do, but just take note of this few that I've told you. It will make you, that manliness in you, they're very obvious, and it will make women, simply can't leave you. It is a fact. Ask any woman these things when they tell you. Lastly, give her money. You see, it is very important to give woman money. The money when you give her, so not be say you they give her, say, make she take care of herself. You just they give her, you just they put her for her hand. It gives them financial security. Sometimes I dey give my woman money, may just keep. Not be say I won't make she use and do anything, but may just dey in her hand or they take her small. The fact that the money is in her hand gives her that security, knowing that okay, bad as it bad, the food no dey, money dey, backup dey. Some men just, you be in a relationship, your woman don't even know whether you owe or you not owe. You understand? So it's quite important for you to give women money. Just give her money. Sometimes you might be surprised, she will double the money for you. But that is not your expectation. Your expectation is to let her understand that there's financial security for us. You understand? Give her money. It is very important. Give her money. Thank you very much if you have watched this video. These are some of my culture, my habits that I live with. And I have a woman in my possession that doesn't want to live with. And I know that some of these, my characters and habits, are the things that she enjoys. Because she always tells me if I change, there's a problem. So some of our youths out there, una don't know some of these things, and for some of una know. So just let this information sink in. Try to rebuild this manly habit. Everything not be just make money. Be a man. It's important.